Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to redeem the locker code in WWE 2K25. So you might be using Xbox or PS5 or PC. So simply you need to go to My Factions under the game, and under game, right, you can see this live. Okay, in My Factions, first time you need to do some setups. Okay, and then press R1 to move live tab. So you need to move to the live tab. Okay, and here you can see the locker codes. So I'm going to unlock the code for rock action figure. So that is elite. Okay, and then mention rock, and then 2K25. Okay, press enter. Your locker code was redeemed successfully. So that's it, friends. So this is the code. So unlock it. So that's it, friends. Now you can use rock action figure in WWE 2K25. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.